Hi, this video is the before and after hair transplant restoration surgery, recreating the eyebrows, and she's a beautiful girl, and I'm so glad that she allowed me to show her for her result, and she have wonderful eyes, and now the eyebrows comes out. If you really want to see how the eyebrow can really reshape the face, you can see her photos while we're inside the clinic. But it really, eyebrows doesn't really do much except it frames the face and it hence your eyes and all the features that God created for you, and all the your nose and all the feature. But it's very important that from one surgeon or one clinic to another is different. She actually had a procedure done by another place who are not specialized in hair transplant or eyebrows, and so it ends up giving her quite a bit of like weird angle hair, and the hair type is like pluggy. And as you know, eyebrows, it cannot have any thick roots. Your roots grow single hair graft only. And if you look, and I zoom in closely, and you see her eyebrows is single hair root. There's no scar, none of that stuff. And the shape, I reshaped that for her, and we spent time to recreate it. And now I asked her to look through all the magazines which find the shape that she likes, and I recreate it for her. And so just to show what the audience what she looked like before with the eyebrows, and you can see she has some eyebrow, but it's hard to look at inside the picture. But really, she had quite a bit of pluggy hair, and one or two of them, they just pointed straight out. So the angle is wrong, the density is not there, and they don't blend it in. Eyebrow transplant is one of the type of surgery where it's the whole artistry behind it. It's not just require the surgical skill of the surgeon, but a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a very natural result. And this is what it looked like a year later. And you can see it's a lot sharper and more dense. And so basically, I just start feeling the bald spot alone, but I had to blend it in and recreate, because when you blend in with the existing eyebrows that she has and the plug, and recreate and the whole blending part, it will really enhance the overall look. And the eyebrows, you don't want to do too high or too low. Too low look like you're angry all the time, or too high look like you're on caffeine all the time. So it had to follow the contour of the face and the orbital bone, and then where the eyebrows end, where the side of the nose goes straight, although the lateral side of the eye can come up, or the medial side of the eye goes straight up, and that's where the eyebrows begin. The peak is go through the pupil and through the tip of the nose and go straight through the pupil. And you can reshape any way you want it to. You don't want to do too thin where you can't really fix the eyebrow. We want to do slightly thicker, and then she can make it thinner in however shape she wanted. And again, I'm not going to give you such thick eyebrows for men eyebrows. And you had to trim the hair, because the hair we take it from the back of the head. And so it grows a little bit faster than existing eyebrows, so you had to trim it every other day. Not every, like once or twice a week. And it's a little bit thicker than the existing eyebrows hair. That's why we got to do more blending instead of filling just the bald spot. Otherwise, you can see the contrast of different hair. So you blend it in well. The thick hair of the transplanted hair will really enhance the look better, maybe more, because it will give you a sharper look. And so we're gonna turn that to her, and this is where she is right now. That's fantastic. And I'm gonna show the audience that's her with eyebrows, and she got to trim it a little bit, and we reshaped the height of the eyebrows. And you can see more of her picture. I'm gonna post it on my website, and you can see and understand. And if you can turn it this way, one side, good. Turn to the other side. Okay, go look straight. That's where she is. And her beauty came out. That's whatever God created for her. I didn't change anything. But anyway, again, thank you for letting me show the eyebrows.